Hello together! In this video I would like to show you the 3 coolest ways to convert your WPL B-1 truck. But first things first, I visited the Intermodellbau, the world's biggest modeling fair. There I've seen hundreds of these small WPL trucks. Most of them were stock or converted like I did in the last video. Check it out if you haven't already, link is in the description. Nevertheless, there were some very exciting conversions I would like to present you now. Enjoy! Let's start with a pretty basic upgrade regarding the body. These trucks have a nice container instead of a bed. It's CNC milled and consists of polystyrene. I think it gives the truck a cool expedition vehicle styled look. If you are interested in one of these kits, check out the link in the description. Or consider building one by yourself, shouldn't be that difficult. Number 2 is this neat 6x6 conversion. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any shots of the chassis, but I can tell you that it's combined out of 2 4x4 trucks. The bed is also custom made. Definitely a very cool build. Number 1 is my personal favorite. It's a Bruder Dodge Ram combined with the WPL Truck chassis. Even though the width fits well, the wheelbase had to be adjusted using metal rods and plastic sheets. I absolutely love the look of this truck. The big rough tires match the scale body perfectly. At this point, special thanks to Christian for allowing me to take videos of his build and explaining me the details. So I really hope you enjoyed this small video and you got some inspiration for your future builds. Leave a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already, so you never miss a future video. Peace, I'm out.